Hey foodies, welcome back to the kitchen where flavor meets comfort. Today I'm showing you how to make a rich and creamy stewed beans with grated carrots and coconut milk. Made extra delicious with Royco Chicken Seasoning, this dish is bursting with color, veggies, and bold Caribbean flavor. Let's get into it. Here's what you'll need. Cooked red beans, coconut milk, grated carrots, red and green onions, red and green bell peppers, garlic, cilantro, and of course, Royco Chicken Seasoning. And if you don't have that, you can substitute it for just salt and pepper for that deep, savory flavor. Start by heating a little oil in your pot. Add your chopped red onion, green onion, garlic, and bell peppers. You're going to saute that for about 2 to 3 minutes until everything is soft and fragrant. Here I'm also adding some thyme leaves just for that extra flavor as well. This is optional, so you can skip this step. There was little to no oil remaining after I added the carrots, so just go ahead and add a little more oil if your pot is low on oil. If you don't have Royco, you can use salt and pepper instead, or your favorite all-purpose seasoning. Some people like Maggi. Maggi's not sponsoring this video, nor is Royco, but go ahead and use whatever seasoning you like. So I'm going to add the coconut milk to dissolve my Royco, and then I am going to add that to my cooked beans. So pour your Royco mixture in, give that a good mix or a good stir. Now pour in the remainder of your coconut milk. The Royco seasoning replaces the salt and pepper and gives the stew that rich, homey taste which we love. Now sprinkle your chopped cilantro on top. Give that a good stir. Look at the brightness that it adds to this dish. Now look at this, creamy, colorful, and full of bold flavor. These stewed beans are comforting, satisfying, and so easy to make. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments if you've cooked with Royco before. I love hearing how you all bring flavor together in your kitchens, and don't forget to hit that bell so you never miss a new recipe. Until next time, stay flavorful.